mentorship was pivotal in his spiritual and intellectual development, illustrating the profound impact of guiding and nurturing future leaders. Pope Francis, in his encyclical Evangelii Gaudium, emphasized that the Church will have to initiate everyone, priests, religious, and laity, into this art of accompaniment, which teaches us to remove our sandals before the sacred ground of the other. This highlights the need for leaders to walk alongside those they mentor, fostering growth through compassionate guidance. As leaders of Couples for Christ, we have a unique mission to prepare the next generation to continue our work. Our community thrives on the principles of faith, love, and service, and we must ensure these values are passed on. By mentoring and supporting younger members, we help them grow in their faith and leadership abilities, ensuring the continuity of our mission. We must ask ourselves, how are we preparing the next generation? Are we investing time and resources in their development? Are we providing them opportunities to grow and learn? Are we encouraging them to seek God's guidance in their journey? By embracing this responsibility, we follow Moses and Joshua's example. We become instruments of God's plan, ensuring that His work continues through the generations. This process of succession is not just about maintaining leadership, but about fostering a community that thrives on faith, hope, and love. Let us pray for the grace to inspire and guide future leaders. May we be faithful stewards of the gifts God has given us, and always seek to uplift and empower those who will follow in our footsteps. In doing so, we honor God and contribute to the flourishing of His kingdom on earth. Key takeaway. By mentoring and supporting younger members, we ensure the continuity of our mission and the flourishing of our community. Guide questions. Who has been a significant mentor in your life? And in what ways did their guidance and example inspire you to grow as a leader? In what ways can you as a leader exemplify the values and mission of Couples for Christ to inspire and guide younger members?